Welcome to English with Ratna. In this video, we are going to learn opposite words with example sentences. Fast, slow. He is running fast. He is walking slowly. Fast, slow. Up, down. He is walking up the staircase. He is walking down the staircase. Up, down. Rude, polite. This girl is rude. This girl is polite. Rude, polite. Happy, sad. This girl is happy. This boy is sad. Happy, sad. Big, small. An elephant is big. A mouse is small. Big, small. Bright, dark. This room is bright. This room is dark. Bright, dark. Loud, quiet. This girl is loud. This girl is quiet. Loud, quiet. Ill, well. This boy is ill. This girl is well. Ill, well. Raw, ripe. I don't like to eat raw mangoes. I like to eat ripe ones. Raw, ripe. Strong, weak. This boy is strong. This boy is weak. Strong, weak. Open, closed. He opened the box. Then he closed the box. Open, closed. Old, young. They are old. They are young. Old, young. Clean, dirty. These hands are clean. These hands are dirty. Clean, dirty. New, old. This car is new. This car is old. New, old. Patch up, break up. They are patching up. They are breaking up. Patch up, break up. Fat, skinny. This man is fat. This woman is skinny. Fat, skinny. Enter, exit. He is entering the room. She is exiting the room. Enter, exit. Married, divorced. They are married. They are divorced. Married, divorced. Barren, fertile. This land is barren. This land is fertile. Barren, fertile. Dry, wet. These clothes are dry. This man is wet in the rain. Dry, wet. Thick, thin. This book is thick. This book is thin. Thick, thin. Long, short. This tree has a long trunk. This tree has a short trunk. Long, short. Closed, open. This door is closed. This door is open. Closed, open. Beautiful, ugly. She is beautiful. She is ugly. Beautiful, ugly. Full, empty. This basket is full. This basket is empty. Full, empty. Hot, cold. This tea is hot. This ice cream is cold. Hot, cold. Same, different. She is showing two same balls. She is showing two different balls. Same, different. Brave, cowardly. The firefighter is brave. He ran away cowardly. Brave, cowardly. Sweet, sour. These are sweet to taste. These are sour to taste. Sweet, sour. Empty, full. This glass is empty. This glass is full. Empty, full. Soft, hard. This pillow is soft. This wood is hard. Soft, hard. Left, right. He is waving his left hand. She is waving her right hand. Left, right. Long, short. This girl has long hair. This girl has short hair. Long, short. Did you like the video? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.